Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. First, update your Hisense TV firmware and make sure your phone or laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network. Next, open settings on the TV and enable the screen mirroring feature, often called Miracast, AnyViewcast, or Chromecast built-in, so the TV can accept incoming connections. Once done, also enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your source device. This prepares discovery and speeds pairing. Now you'll initiate the actual connection. On your phone or laptop, open the Display or Cast menu, look for Cast, Screen Mirroring, or Smart View, and scan for devices. When your Hisense TV appears, tap it to connect. If a PIN appears on the TV, enter it on your source device to authorize. After connecting, make sure to set appropriate resolution and orientation in the source's display settings so the image fits the TV correctly and motion stays smooth. Finish by confirming audio and video sync. Play a short video and check sound output on the TV. If the image is delayed or disconnected, stop casting and reconnect or toggle the TV's mirroring mode. Sometimes switching the source device's Wi-Fi band helps. A key troubleshooting tip: restart your router, TV, and source device in that order to clear network states. This fixes most intermittent failures. If that fails, verify firmware and try a wired HDMI.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.